guys, it's Danny. Welcome back to my channel. For today's Happy Mail idea video, we are doing some little shaker pockets using scrap pieces of paper, die cuts, and other random embellishments from my crafty stash. So if you want to see how I make these, just keep watching. So to get started, I have my fuse tool all heated up, and I think I'm going to start with this little cluster right here. So I just have a piece of scrap paper from my little scrap bin, a die cut from the Crate Paper Heart Day collection, and I believe this little rubber piece is from Maggie Holmes, I think. I have no idea what collection or anything though. But all I'm going to do is adhere all three of these together using some Tombow Extreme. And I thought this would be cool to do because it makes the die cuts just a little bit bigger for the shaker pocket. So it does say like couple dance song or whatever up here, but I'm just going to cover that up with the together because I think that's really cute. I actually don't mind that it comes past the little piece of paper a little bit. It's totally fine. And then I have some pre-done little pockets for shakers such as this. So I'm going to slide this in here and I think that will be cute. I will have to seal it up a little bit up here, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Actually, let's do it on the bottom side because that'll probably be a little bit easier. So this one will be kind of just floating in this pocket, which I think will be kind of cute. I just don't like that it's floating so much. So I typically turn my ruler over so I can get it a little bit closer to the plastic. And I usually like to seal both sides, so I'll do it from the front and the back. And then I have my shaker mix that we created in a video. If you have not seen this video where I made this homemade shaker mix, I will link it down below for you guys. Since this is pretty roomy, I think I'm just gonna pour a little bit in here at a time. So, and I think that'll be good. Trying to be better about not overloading my shaker pockets, because I'm of the belief the more sparkle the better. You could also write a little note on the back of your die cut if you wanted to. I didn't do that this time, but you could do that, like right back here. I think that'd be kind of nice to include a little note for your pen pal. I actually feel like maybe we could close up the top just a little bit more too. So that is what that looks like, and then I'm going to just trim off the excess. And I have gotten a lot of comments from you guys, like especially I think during my December daily, about how a lot of you guys have a fuse tool but you don't ever use it, and that just blows my mind. You guys need to use your fuse tools. They're so much fun, and then you can create all sorts of sparkly goodies. It makes me so sad that you guys aren't using them. They're really fun and they're not scary. You just, you know, don't burn yourself and then you'll be fine. Okay, so this is one little shaker pocket. I think it's really cute and I like the added dimension in there. So let's go ahead and create another one. So for this one, I have some scrap cupcake paper and I'm going to take my pinking shears. I don't use these for sewing, you guys, so please don't be too horrified. I just use them for paper because I like the little edge that it gives. And I have them already, so I didn't have to go out and buy new scissors. I don't know, I'm not about that. If I don't have to buy it, I don't want to. Okay, so this one says, "Hey there, Valentine." I think it's really cute. This one I'm actually, I think, going to just staple on at an angle. Like a couple of little decorative staples like that. And then for this little cupcake embellishment, I thought that would be really fun because it definitely ties in. I'm going to use some Tombow Extreme tabs. These things are amazing. They are super strong and you can cut them down, which is what I'm going to do. I'm only going to use half of one. And I'm just going to put it on the back of this cupcake. And again, this just adds a little bit more dimension to your shakers, which I think is always fun. It adds a little bit more detail, you know? Right up there. Maybe I'll add a little bit of adhesive underneath just to keep things from moving too much. Let's go ahead and put this in a pocket. So I have a bunch of these like 4x4, I guess, Becky Higgins Instagram style whatever sheets, page protector things. So I'd like to use these up because I have a bunch. I got them on sale, so if I have them, I want to use them because I haven't really noticed myself using them very much in my albums. So definitely want to use them, and I like that they're small so I don't feel like as guilty using up a whole page protector for a project like this. And I'm actually probably gonna put this one in here upside down so that I don't have to worry about sealing right above this little cupcake deal. Get in there, dude. Maybe I'll do it this way. Yep, that's how we'll do it. Both sides. And there we go. And then now it's time to put in some little shaker bits. I don't know if I need my scoopy or not. Let's see, kind of see how, oh, I probably don't need it. Okay. All right, so I think that's fine. I can go ahead and finish sealing this guy up. Like so. I'll go ahead and cut him down. And then there's another shaker. I think this is so cute, and I love the little cupcake guy in there. So I think this little piece is a little too thin for what I need it for today, but I'm going to save it just in case I need it for a future project. Let's go ahead and do this one. This one says, I love you with every bit of my heart. I think it's really cute, and I'm going to add some of these little heart buttons. Just again, just sealing up the bottom of this page protector. And I need to figure out if I want to add anything to this die cut before I put it in here. I was thinking maybe a couple little staples would be really cute to make this washi tape look like it was stuck on there. Or maybe we could actually add some washi tape. I kind of like that. I think that looks cute and it adds a little something up there. Go ahead and do again a couple of staples. And I also have these kind of leftover ones. It might be kind of cute to add. I kind of like it right there around the staple. Alright, so then this just goes in here. And then I'll add in these little buttons. I think they're really cute. And then just a little bit of the shaker mix. That will be cute. And then time to seal up. And these are really great for just slipping into Happy Mail. Like if you're making an envelope flip book, you can just put this in one of the pockets. Or you can create like a belly band in a project and slip this in there. Or clip it to the front of a bag flip if you want. Or tuck it into an embroidery hoop. Or put it like in an exploding box. There's all sorts of different ways you could do this. And even smaller ones, maybe a little bit smaller than this, would fit really nicely in pocket letters. I kind of want to do another cupcake one. And I still have this little piece of gold washi tape, so I'm going to use this out of my stash. It's just a scrap. It's like the last little bits of a roll of washi tape. And then I'm going to use the other half of that Tombow Extreme tab to adhere down this little cupcake dude there. And I like the idea of adhering it down. That way all the shaker bits kind of go around it. I think that's kind of nice sometimes. Sometimes with bulkier items, it's hard to keep them kind of in place while you're sealing up your fuse tool. So I have kind of a trick for it. So all you do is you slide your item into your pocket and then you fold over the page protector to help hold it in place. So I will show you how I do that with this one. So like so. You just keep it folded, grab your ruler, just slide that in there, unfold, and then use your fuse tool, and then your item will stay where you wanted it. Again, I like to seal up both sides, especially for bulkier type things because it kind of wants to pull apart a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and trim this down just a little bit, and I'll keep the scraps because you never know when you need to make a tiny little shaker thing or just have a piece of clear plastic little shaker bits. Not too many because this one is a smaller little thing, and then just seal it up. And trim off the excess, and then there's your little shaker with a cute little cupcake in there. And then the little dimensional elements too let things kind of roam about a little bit easier in there as well. So for this last little shaker, I'm using this die cut again from crepe paper and a piece of scrap paper. I'm all about trying to use up the scraps I have because I like this Happy Valentine's Day thing, but I have other things in my stash that I feel are kind of more special that I wanted to use there. And since we are adding different things to these die cuts, I figured this would kind of go along with that theme. And then I have some of these little stickers, again from Create Paper, that I wanted to use on here because I thought that'd be kind of fun. So there's all sorts of kinds. I like this Hello Beautiful one, so why don't we use that here? All right, and then I'm going to add just a little staple up here just to add a little bit more interest. And then I have my little pre-done pockets. I'm just going to slide this in here. And then time to put in the little shaker bits. And one this size would definitely fit inside of a pocket letter like slot. So I think that's cool. So you definitely can customize the sizes to whatever projects you're working on. And that's why I love the Fuse tool so much, because it lets you totally customize the sparkly things. Alright, so there's that one. Probably put too many sequins in this one, but it's okay. I did good on the others, right? I didn't go too crazy. So this is this little shaker. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and that it gave you some ideas on how you can use up your die cuts and your scraps of paper and little embellishments that you might have floating around. Please make sure to subscribe if you're not already. I make these DIY Happy Mail goodie videos from time to time, so I know that you don't want to miss any of those. But that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!